Hey, did you know that Excel will color coordinate cells automatically for you? It will! It's a term called conditional formatting, and Excel will do it just for you in any system that you want. I'm Tina, the Wizard of Automation with Excelling Your Business, and let's walk through how you do it. Here we've got a spreadsheet that shows some information, and you can see that there's some color-coded cells. I can highlight to those color-coded cells. So my green is filtered to things that are this week. So as the week changes, if I change a date in any one of these, if I put this to next week, that date and the color coding goes away. If I undo that and put that date back in there, it pops back up. It's automatic. It's really cool in helping you follow up with people on dates that you want during that week, or you can use text. There's several different things that you can do. You can highlight cells greater than, less than, between, equal to, text, dates, duplicate values, whatever that may be. There's top and bottom rules. So if you have a set of data, say sales transactions, and you want to know what your top 10 sales items are, you can do it like that. You can look at what's not selling and do the below. You can do averages. You can do all kinds of different things. There's data bars. There's all kinds of different things in here that you can use to make Excel work for you, because that's what it's all about. A little bit on conditional formatting with Tina Palmgren, the Wizard of Automation from Excelling Your Business. If you'd like to learn more, give me a call or set up an appointment with me at bit.ly.excelsupport, and we can have a conversation on how Excel can help you work more productively. Thanks, and have a great day.